Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to Affiliate Cash Cow, where we're about to dive into something truly mind-blowing today. You won't believe your eyes, folks, because we're about to unveil the most incredible technology that has just taken the internet by storm. Get ready to have your minds blown because today we're talking about ChatGPT and its insane new superpower. But before we jump into the meat of this video, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell icon because trust me, you do not want to miss out on the future of content creation. Now, hold on to your seats because, ladies and gentlemen, ChatGPT has teamed up with the absolute legends at Canva to bring you the most epic plugin you've ever seen. That's right, Canva, the powerhouse of design, just got a major upgrade, and we're here to guide you through every jaw-dropping step of it. Are you tired of spending hours crafting the perfect design for your projects? Well, guess what? Say goodbye to those days because ChatGPT is here to save you. This plugin is a game changer. It's like having a team of world-class designers at your fingertips 24/7, ready to turn your wildest ideas into reality. Picture this. You've got a big presentation coming up and you need an eye-catching poster to wow your audience. But you're not a designer, right? Wrong. With ChatGPT Canva plugin, you just describe your vision and bam, it spits out a mind-blowing design that will make your jaws drop. Let's dive right in and see this baby in action. We're going to create a poster for a charity event, and we'll do it in under 3 minutes. Are you ready for this? Brace yourselves. Hey ChatGPT, I need a poster for a charity event. It's all about saving the planet, so I want green, earth, and a touch of magic. And boom, just like that, our poster is coming to life. It's like watching pure magic unfold before your very eyes. The AI understands your vision, your emotions, and transforms them into the most captivating design you could ever imagine. Look at that, folks. A mesmerizing, jaw-dropping poster that would make even professional designers green with envy. And we did it in under 3 minutes. Can you believe it? The power of technology is just astounding. Now, I know you're sitting there probably shocked by the sheer awesomeness of this ChatGPT Canva plugin. But here's the best part. You can get your hands on it today. Yes, right now. You can tap into this unreal superpower and unleash your creativity like never before. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link in the description, get the ChatGPT Canva plugin, and let your imagination soar. Join the revolution of content creation and become an absolute design wizard. Thank you for joining us today on this mind-blowing journey into the future of design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because we've got even more incredible tech wonders coming your way. Until next time, stay creative, stay awesome, and remember, with ChatGPT and Canva by your side, there are no limits to what you can achieve. See you in the next one, legends.